The 2025 BMW X3 marks a significant evolution for the popular luxury compact SUV, blending advanced hybrid power with subtle yet impactful design updates. Positioned as a bridge to the future of BMW's vehicle lineup, this iteration of the X3 introduces hybrid technology while hinting at more revolutionary changes to come with the upcoming Neue Klasse EV. BMW has strategically enhanced the X3's appeal by incorporating hybrid powertrain options, catering to eco-conscious drivers who prioritize efficiency without compromising on performance. The introduction of hybrid variants underscores BMW's commitment to sustainability and aligns with global trends towards electrification in the automotive industry. Under the hood, the 2025 X3 offers a range of powertrain choices, including hybrid configurations that combine internal combustion engines with electric motors. This hybrid setup not only enhances fuel efficiency, but also provides instant torque for responsive acceleration, making the X3 a versatile choice for urban commuting and long-distance travel alike. Visually, the 2025 X3 introduces subtle design refinements that enhance its modern appeal while retaining the iconic BMW aesthetic. A curved dashboard design integrates seamlessly with advanced infotainment and driver assistance technologies, creating an immersive cockpit experience that prioritizes convenience and connectivity for occupants. While the 2025 X3 represents a step forward in BMW's commitment to hybridization and technological innovation, the brand has reserved its most transformative changes for the next generation Neue Klasse EV. Scheduled for release in the near future, the Neue Klasse EV promises to redefine BMW's approach to electric mobility with groundbreaking technologies and design philosophies. The Neue Klasse EV is poised to introduce BMW's all-new architecture and platform specifically designed for electric vehicles, setting new benchmarks in range, performance, and sustainability. This next generation EV will showcase BMW's expertise in electric drivetrains, advanced battery technology, and cutting-edge connectivity features that redefine the driving experience. In anticipation of the Neue Klasse EV, BMW enthusiasts and prospective buyers can look to the 2025 X3 as a precursor to the brand's future direction. By embracing hybrid power and incorporating innovative design elements, the X3 demonstrates BMW's commitment to evolving with the times while maintaining its legacy of luxury, performance, and driving pleasure. As BMW prepares to unveil the Neue Klasse EV, the 2025 X3 serves as a testament to the brand's dedication to innovation and sustainability. It embodies BMW's progressive vision for the future of mobility, where hybrid and electric vehicles play a pivotal role in shaping a more efficient and environmentally conscious automotive landscape. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW X3 exemplifies the harmonious balance between tradition and innovation, offering drivers a glimpse into BMW's evolving lineup while paving the way for the transformative advancements heralded by the upcoming Neue Klasse EV.